Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. And we have a few options. We can check it in the application, or we can use a speaker to check it. So let's get started by use the application, open JBL One app, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then you will see them at the device list and you just tap at your speaker. Now you need to scroll down, and in the product information at the bottom we have software version right here. So this is the first one. Now to use a speaker, at the right side we have access menu. You need to tap at this button, and then you need to move this wheel at the top clockwise and go to the settings, so press on it. Then you need to again move it clockwise and then press on it on software version. And as you can see, we have the same information as in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!